Tute. What are you doing out here, Tute? What aren't you doing out here, Tute? I told you, I can't come to Argentina. My chainsaw, the airplane, TSA, they don't fucking like me. I'm sorry. Just come here, it'll be fucking fun, you know? I said we can shoot guns. You can't shoot guns in Argentina, can you? Apparently you can't here, not like in America. Anyways. Oh yeah, happy Chainsaw Festival. Again, another Chainsaw Festival? How many fucking Christmases do you guys have? God damn, you guys are crazy. But you know what? Hey, if Tute's doing it, there must be a reason. What would Tute do? I ask myself that daily now. Tute, you know my girlfriend is infatuated with you? That's not a joke. I'm serious. She is. And I'm totally cool with it. And I'm not a cuckold. I'm not into that shit. What the fuck ever. But for some reason, well, not some reason, I know why. Because your chainsaws are so fucking sick. God damn. You're an artist, man. You really are. My chainsaw, I mean, I appreciate the compliments and whatnot, but like, it looked cool, but bitches across the world don't want to fuck me over it. Maybe they do. I don't know. But you know what, man? Hey, you come to America, I'll hook you up, but you gotta hook me up. Yours, mine. Eh? Sounds like fun, you know it. Fucking freak. No, seriously though, if you come to Oregon, bring your girlfriend. Because like, I ain't swapping unless you bring her too. It's just fair. That's a good old-fashioned American trait. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Just under 3 minutes today. Now you can share it. Oh yeah. Fucking Chainsaw Fest 2, or whatever you guys call it. Fucking have fun and fucking Chainsaw Fest. Swap your girlfriends.